whole scene for myself. I'm not sure something, bro. You see when we are doing music video, then say, I have to lie down in a video like, me a dead sleep in a video and boss say, wake me up, so. When I lay down say in a video, boss say, come and slap me in my chest. That the video have to cut, come here and ask him, say, yo bro, a boss say one boss me stress or something is a video. You understand? And then he said, that we go make it, you know, bro. I say, yes, we go make it, but yesterday, when me and him buy one fish food, you know, hear me? Him buy one fish food and me buy one turkey neck. And he said to me, say, if somebody you go in a place go really hard a turkey neck, got it. I said, that I want, a turkey neck I want, I don't want no fish nor nothing. But when I open my food, he say, he want piece of turkey neck, I give. Then when I eat, he said, got it, what this? But said, find one long oxtail bone with meat on it in the food. Then, so I said to him, say, oh, you buy fish and get oxtail in your fish? And he said to me, say, no, me serious no. Me say,
I want to see it.
Alligator, something I never like him and say alligator meat. So me say for alligator, I never have alligator before. I take out the piece of meat and eat it and he say, got it.
Me I come and get a cigar.
He said to me, say, got it. You know, say, we're going to be able to do here and do it too and then we go to
Beaver,
I appreciate it. Get here done and in 2 hours everything is done.
Already I busted the panel live and me I chat to the dog, you know remember?
Gotti, where the dog the panel live and me see the dog jump up to Bumbo Clot the same way. Went on the back of bus man, in a fireman and him gone here see you know say I wanna the boy them put the back clean in a fireman. Me so like gunshot for trainer. I mean I say, oh the dog. Oh, that just jump up, so.
Alright, guys, everyone's muted. Just wait for Gotti to come back because they want to hear from Gotti. So I just mute all of yous.
You want to do full of police now?
Yeah, guys, I've muted everybody. Just Gotti alone. Let's talk now.
From the time, alright, when I run off, you know, you say me run off, and I look down the road, me know say, me can't see the object. But me know say boss said lay down. You see me? And then me turn one corner cause me just feel say I'm me. Then I come for next and then me run and me hide in one place. And me hide in a place. Me see somebody where they turn up when me run past and me ask them if they see somebody in a mask pass cause me no want them shoot me. And the person say no and then me come out and say be a soldier and police cause they hear the explosion them. You understand? So I walk back with them, go down from where me I run from. Bro, by the time I reach down there up to the same police, them deal me like a dog shit. The soldier them deal me like a dog. You hear me tell her? Me don't know how me reach at my yard, but me know say yo, me reach parade. Me don't know when me go in a one car, me don't know when the driver say, got here, yes say yeah, come off. I come off and come down in a lane. Yo man, tell her bro, I never see nothing like this bro. I tell her, say, on reach. When boss said, say, got it forward no back. Forward no money and somebody that if anybody when they watch the live, when boss said I play with Blue Royal, I last thing that he say out of him mouth. I got it forward no money and somebody can even go shave in face now, can ear done. So I go shave off the ear them and line them up. You understand? So we are grown at the barber now. That's when me step up on the sidewalk, That's when, bro, that's when me see. So boss said really get shot. I'm still near run off far yet, but me make a exit where me can clear my way and run crossway the street just in case if any gunshot a come off of me. I suck on me hand lick up in a wall. You understand? I'm still turn up. I look down there when time I see like somebody a come towards me. Me turn and go hide. Feel your fuck dog, me not tell you no lie, me never feel nothing like this yet. I swear to God, me have brother and sister with it and me feel you know. But me never feel nothing like this yet, cause you see true, what really shocked me, and when me know say me reach back, the boss said it unreach, like when he said forward, cause I'm gonna go hold on for my neck, trying tall on me. He always want neck hold me and drag me. Come on. I'm a nigga, come on. and have me hand, me neck under your arm. So, me know how boss said stay. You see, if me name put on the bag, and me and him, believe. If he ain't tell me if he put on the bag in the car, it would be me and him. You don't hear from me today. None at all. And me and him then would throw in a police back. In a police car back. Me and him. Bro, I'm the closest to boss said when he dead. Zane? Yeah, bro. Lick out boss said dead, brother. Man, I go back down there, brother, and look on your amount of blood where they bleed out and man head top, bro. Zane? Yeah, bro, cause first shot where boss said get a head shot. You hear me tell her? Cause when he call me now, remember say, he have to look when me there, so. So by the time me I come, so, me hear people I say, oh, people creech up and boss said, nobody not come from the back way. I saw it.
Come the back door there.
Eh?
Come the back door.
Bro, you hear me feel this right now, bro. I'm not even telling you no lie right now. Me cut up, me hurt. Bro, me lose my friend. Me lose my friend. Me not have a friend again for wake up. Granny mash up. Who ask where granny there? Granny mash up. Granny eye them swell big so. Zin? Yeah. Me not telling you no lie. Chop lad. Me see you last night.
A cigarette there.
Who want a cigarette? Who
I
want a
remember
cigarette?
telling me for cigarette. You smoke them off already?
No, me a smoke a cigarette them hard enough. You get one pack of cigarette can come give me. One left.
Fire pack no got.
Tell them say I want my money up on my yard.
They come up in your yard.
Me can't left you live yet. Or me have to go just make a call, make somebody can pack a cigarette.
They want to say cigarette they want, that's how they read.
Street no respect nobody, but by the end of the day, boss enough it dead so. Me kinda like we there be a lyrics or we are run around or we are have a drink this so. A man come kill off a way or whatever in enough of my way. Zin, me I tell you. You see streets and program and phone and all of them something there, believe Gotti. Me I tell you say, if boss said never say, me if you put me bag in the car, you could never ever hear from me. Me I tell you, me gone to the dogs. Me and him would have lay down around there. And me and him power, bro. Who know about said when I know me? Who know about said when I know me? Eh? And 3 man tell me if you put my bag in a car, me not have to walk with the bag. And that's it. Believe. And then when the call was said phone, this last night, me call it. Somebody answer. And say, Gotti, I have your phone. Come get busted phone from me because they know I'm a party. And when me go for the phone this morning, it wasn't no hassle, nor no tassel for me get busted phone. The phone reaching on my hand. But me don't know where the money gone, where busted have on him. You understand? Yeah. Me don't know where the money gone. Believe. Yo, me don't know how me go do this. TikTok, me don't know. Me don't know if you no go really see me on TikTok like that no more. If me even come on TikTok like that, I show me know say boss said in on company. Me no need TikTok on my phone, bro. You hear me tell her? The app here is a beast. I mean I blame it on the app, but the way how some people threaten off of people and me not left my yard. Me all deported. Me know how to live. Believe. And me I tell her say bro, boss said I'm a leader, bro. And that's why I always see me behind him as a little youth. When me see, boss said, motivate me. And the way how he motivate me by playing back my song them on TikTok. While me a pass all boss said yard before me used to come on the live. Me got to used to sit down under the live. So, and I tell boss said what he say. Me, before me get a phone and go TikTok youth. Believe. First time when I go on TikTok, I'm there in my yard asleep. And a box down full of people like this. And 2 somebody in a box of this off about say they see my phone ring on WhatsApp and say, Gotti. You know, say 2 boy in a box of this, me come, this them come, bring them down. Same time. If me not come down on yard same time, I jump on the live. And anything we try this off and get this. In a most respect, disrespect, we always say steam team. Believe. Prime Minister does school and man member from day one, you know, before Aquasol and pay one, you know, my father. You know how me know, you know. You know how me know. And by end of the day, bro, you not supposed to happen like this, cause boss said, nah, do nothing. He nah, do nothing at all. We make sure. Bro, them man not even check message on their phone. I may have to check it sometime. I said, boss said, they don't see some people they text about some ads. I want to show around this way for the way I do. Believe. Bro, you not even know, dog. Dog, right now, you reach at a point where I don't know how me go hold up. Me have to go try, cause me can't hold up. Me have to go try. Me have to go try hold up right now if you say alright, you hear me? Me go wake up tomorrow. When me wake up this morning, you think yesterday something licked me or last night. Or this morning when me really wake up youth, I know say me dog no did a dog. Bro, just listen Gotti no man. Me never feel nothing so in my life. My brother were dead. My brother were police kill. Believe. Me have sister were dead. And me just pay me money and bury them, bro. And me feel it and me know me feel it, but I never feel nothing in my life like this. You see, me in the Rose Heights and the dog are beyond dead. Me don't know how more than feel fuck up, but bro, I was there. But said no par with people, bro. I want somebody but said par with and I got it. The whole community know. If you say Gotti, you say Bossed. If you say Bossed, you say Gotti. If you say Bossed alone, I just show me tired. Remember me all, you know. Me not young. Me can't take on every task on the road. So sometimes, me be fuck up, bro. And he say Gotti, he call me all 3, 4 times, 5 times. You know how far me say Bossed, me tired. Might as well, if you make with turn home or if you go call with next bridging. You have one next bridging where if I know me, I that demand it. Cause him can drive too. Then, I may tell you, bro, anyhow with it go in a car and sit down in a car, you no hear from me. Cause the car don't get be a chip Glock in it. Me got it, I tell you. You hear me tell you? But just through a car open, put it in my bag. I go towards barber shop, then say, alright, maybe I wear this. But the car was being watched. You hear me? From the park there. Bro, you not even know my youth. Me just don't want this go up. And me don't want it to turn out to be like this. Me got to tell you, because me tell you, I don't like war, you know. I don't like war. Me not involved in a war. Me not involved in something there. You hear me tell you? But by the end of the day, you know not there, man.
Oh, so I know in a phone up. Okay.
Because remember, you know, we just doing here at Sunshine Plaza. Walk straight up the road and go down in a lane. So you see where you would have turned in a long lane to go back parade.
Yeah.
We have to straight down to Union Street, but by the end of the day, we don't make it this because somebody coming up to kill we, bro.
So a man approaching back and front?
I would say side. Because remember in 10 up I say, yo, got the fuck. Oh, no one has somebody. I go to get one shot in a say, you know. First shot.
I saw that.
And if I go down, I be a thing spawning, bro.
So what one person did?
Then it's not from behind. You understand? Yeah.
Yo, Gotti, the boy dressed up like a police, but they don't have no piece of police. The boy dressed up like a police.
Nothing for dead, bro. You understand? Yeah. I say nothing for dead.
A bigger man thing.
Believe it.
You know this for dead youth. I was a hot that just start really pump up the street.
Man, no do nothing.
You can't know a man where do things for
bro, I don't know.
You can't know. You have to carry on busted legacy, no, brother. But you have to be careful in the streets.
Which street? What street? What street, Cloud King? What street?
Anyway.
If I want somebody, if somebody can buy for me, I do it out.
Real dog. I really talk you.
Believe.
Bro.
Me.
Bro. Gotti nothing do nothing to busted legacy youth. Gotti a star, you know, brother. Gotti name big, you know, that. I just fall back in that place, you know, bro. That's what I say. Yeah, man. Gotti have his own respect. And Gotti have his own name. That's what I say.
Gotti is a big bro.
Well, I'm not
That is
big.
make dub play for me.
Listen, man. Just listen. See, earlier, if they come like me say, Naya dead on CPR, are the only real youth could have taken Naya phone and really do what I do. And me see family, a bash CPR, like, you see them little thing here, bro? You don't really want to go in, go take it up, dog. You see me, I say, Gotti, nobody come want kill you over no money, and nobody want kill you over boss dead left, and nobody want come kill you over Gotti. You know, me and you come from far, and listen to me, bro.
Yeah.
Do your thing, brother.
Yeah.
Have a name for yourself, brother. You see boss head phone. If you can't make it reach him, mother or father or somebody, just make it reach him, Gotti. Me know why you have that phone.
Bro, I busted house me there.
Yeah, me know, Gotti. Me know where your boss come from. You are the only fucking friend boss just. But at the same time, I try to show you. You see, if nobody if come pre over nothing, Gotti, give it to them. Just give them, bro.
Give
Never come pre over nothing. I want to hurt you over nothing. I am the only man me see boss said put in a house. So me know boss said respect and love and trust you, dog. Now ask that, brother. And the world know that, bro.
When boss said want to sleep, he said Gotti can't drive.
Yeah, man.
And he little
But at the same time, Gotti, you see them people here, no boss said no day can talk to himself. You will see all type of Gotti, you know this. Me have to tell you this, you know this. A smart youth. As I say, just do it, but with intelligent. Because you're the only someone to do it, but not do it in a fight, not do it in a spy, not do it in nobody carry no feelings for my father.
Yeah.
If you go take a put the phone and people have feelings and grieve and this and that,
was come from my phone right now. Me a give granny. I want it. Me, Gotti.
Yeah, man.
Gotti.
Me.
Remember you.
Yeah.
Remember say you name John Gotti, brother. Remember say you have Moby Anthem, you know. Members are from Fat Star Son, you had a dub play for me, no Gotti. That over 20 years. You understand? For 20 years, we have the music, all the business together, brother. So, you know who you is, you know who you are, you know what you're capable of. So, all you have to do is just be strong and do what you have to do. You see me? I stay vigilant, brother. Even in your house, you can't gaze. That me I make you know. I say, not even in your house.
The people them kind of bad mind and them a bad mind, the young youth them.
Yeah, the people them corrupt. Prime Minister and even bad man, brother, then corrupt.
Yeah,
Even you, me see people corrupt against them, brother. Just when you start rise. Yeah, understand?
Remember, you know. The amount of fight get me that about, you know. See what I mean? You see in a life,
mash me up.
And everybody have to fight, bro.
Mash me up. I tell you, bro. Me shocked from last night.
Fight if we don't know.
This morning, when we wake up at 5 o'clock a.m.
God.
Yeah.
And when we wake 5 a.m.
Without a reason, brother.
We wake up 5
fight you. There's no reason to fight them, but leave them, brother. People go always a fight, bro. When them fight, and it's stronger you get.
Yeah.
Bro, man look for me yesterday and said, Gotti, we go make you know. The man saying go carry me go Dominican Republic with him, you know. The man King Dona, you know. He said, Gotti, me not left you. That he said to me, say, me can't left the next dog. I don't want to call his name. That I dog way. Who don't drive with him, I say. I don't want to left the next dog, but Gotti, me can't left you and I want somebody me have to carry. So me say, well, you go carry me and me and you make up and buy the next man ticket. And he laugh. Because I say I don't want to left out the next man or you carry the next man and I want to buy me ticket. That was the plan because we're supposed to go to the Dominican Republic the 13th of January. Zin. Bro, I not even know, dog. I not even know. Right now, I'm not telling no lie. I don't know. This come like a dream, or it come like me not even. God no. Bro, I don't know what I'm going to do. I tell you the truth. Because when it come to beer, nobody can say they go see me a beer, even if you go buy